Hello friends, today we will talk about top 5 plant which brings good luck and fortunes. So keep watching this video till the end. Please subscribe my channel Kyon Matras. So let's start with number 5. Rubber plant. Rubber plants can be beneficial in any spot, but it is believed to be especially auspicious in the wealth area or even the front hall of the residence, much like the jade plant. The round leaves of the plant is known to represent money or prosperity. Number 4. Palms. Palms, because they're one of the bigger indoor plants around, can be the ideal room divider that also injects a bit of natural charm to the house. It's breezy and tropical, while also flexible in attracting good energy. Palms actually activate any missing or absent feng shui element in the room. Number 3. Orchids. Orchids are one of the most beautiful flowering plants around, so adding it inside the house as a design element is always a plus. However, it's more than just a pretty face. Feng Shui says that orchids bring good fortune in love. It improves current relationships, but more importantly, increases the chances of attracting a new romantic partner. Number 2. Jade plant. The jade plant is considered very auspicious. The jade plant is a good luck symbol for money. It is also known as money plant, dollar plant and friendship plant. These plants are perfect housewarming gifts. In Asia they may be given as a wedding gift. These plants can last a lifetime and grow to be very large with the proper care. Most people just buy one for themselves because they fortunately know they deserve great things in life. Number 1. Bamboo plant. Lucky bamboo is a plant that is well known for bringing good luck and is one of the essential elements of Feng Shui. Lucky bamboo is very easy to grow and adds to enhance the decor of your home. The lucky bamboo plant is also known as curly bamboo, Chinese water bamboo, friendship bamboo, goddess of mercy plant and ribbon plant. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more awesome and healthy tips.